in the name of Allah, most compassionate, most merciful. My name is AsmatUllah. I belong to Afghanistan. I am pursuing BTech Civil Engineering at Quest. Before coming to AME technology, first of all, I don't have any information about engineering software. When we come here, I got many things during from last 1 month. For example, there was many application in the basic parts and civil engineering, for example, and electronic parts and mechanical parts. Right now, I am able to understand many things, especially in Autocad application. I can get many things.